Maithili?
Yes, sir.
Yesterday you got no program, or
Yes,
you got
sir.
it? You have shown, no?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Tell me something. You are telling something.
No, sir. I got.
Okay. So have you installed MySQL?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Can you share your window now?
Sir, I need to log in into laptop, sir.
Why, madam? I told you to keep your systems ready.
System was there, sir, but I logged in mobile.
Huh?
I have joined class in mobile, sir, so I need to join class in laptop.
Madam, this is not class, madam. Lab.
Yes, lab
I
only, sir.
told you to keep your systems are ready because it's a big process. You cannot do it later.
No,
Then.
system was there, sir,
Uh,
but Google Meet I have joined in mobile, sir.
okay.
2 minutes, sir. I'll join in laptop and I'll share. Sir.
Okay. Bhargavi,
Yes, sir.
you have installed, huh?
No, sir, I didn't install, sir.
Okay. Deepika, have you installed MySQL? Deepika, Rajeshwari, Rajeshwari. Okay. Right. Arjun, can you share your system?
Sir, 1 second, sir. I'll log in.
Hmm. I'll not take much time because already I have sent the code. You have practiced. You have to practice. That's all. Bhargavi,
Yes, sir.
have you installed your MySQL?
Sir, not at all installing, sir, that one. My laptop has got problem.
Diksha, then what I should do? Tell me now.
Yes, sir.
Aishwarya, have you installed MySQL?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now share your system now.
ಸರ್ ಲ್ಯಾಪ್ಟಾಪ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಲಾಗಿನ್ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ ಸರ್, ಮೊಬೈಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಆಗಿರೋದು. 5
ಅಲ್ಲಮ್ಮ
minutes.
ಯಾಕೆ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ. If you want to escape, what is the use of doing lab? Tell me. Chaitra, Arjun, ready?
Sir, 1 second, sir.
No, see, my system, no, many programs are there. That is the problem.
Yeah, sir. I'll share 1 second, sir.
Now you share it. I don't know, but again, your MySQL, whether it will work or not, I don't know. Let me check it out.
Actually, it is not my system fault, sir. Actually, it is a code system fault because morning I thought Deepika MB, she got everything same, but except display function, it is not working for even Maithili also. For everyone, it's not working, sir. Actually, display code
Hey,
is wrong.
myself also I've installed the same software only, no?
But everyone are not getting, sir.
No. What I'm telling is, Seshi only has installed me for my system also.
No, sir.
My
Actually, it is a
my system
driver
code
error.
is working, no?
Yeah, sir, but that code is not working for us. Actually, for
Sir,
not
in
even a
display
single guy, it's not.
function, hello,
Hmm.
sir.
Hmm.
Sir, in display function, it was not taking that DB utilities import. It's not taking, sir.
That
If we give that,
sir,
it's
that date
showing
came error, no?
error.
No. What is my question is, for me also Seshi only has given the software. For you also Seshi only, no? See, I have practiced from the beginning. I don't have any softwares. I don't, sir. I don't have any programs. Myself only has practiced all these programs.
Yeah, sir, but we don't know what happens for us.
Okay, that today we'll see it now. No problem. Remaining it is working. No.
Yeah, sir. All are working except that display.
Right. We'll see that one. What else should be done? We'll see it. No problem.
Yeah, sir. It is a fault of driver, maybe not system. sir.
Maybe some drivers are missing or what, we don't know. Let us see that one. When you're coming for personally to college, then only we have to see it. That's all. I have sent the system. I have the, what is that called? So how many of them installed SQL? Tell me in your systems.
Sir, I shared the screen, sir.
1 second. Enter your registered number who are all having MySQLs in your system. Right, sir? Can you, that's all, no?
Yeah, sir.
All right. Now, go back to your my new project.
Sir.
All of you got your this one, what is that called? File names. Both the files have sent it. One is entire code only, one is what to be done in your systems. I have done it. Got it or not?
Yes, sir. Got it, sir.
Right, madam. No problem. Open it. Go to my this one. Where is this one? My services.
Yes, sir. Sir, here.
Okay. 1 second. So database, run it. Already running. Then plus. So where is MySQL?
Yes, sir.
Right click. Refresh.
Connect. sir.
Connect first. Everywhere you give the same password, Baba. That is the problem. That is what I don't want to create the problems for you.
No, sorry, I didn't connect it here. No, sir.
You give both the places root only.
Sir, I
Password
can't give
also root and
because
this also root.
in that day you told no, sir. Second time when I installed, no, root was the password. So again, it got changed to Tiger.
Why?
Because second time installed, sir. First time
No, you
it was
should.
showing.
There the save option is there. No, you save it. That's all.
Here you can't do, sir. Like when we are installing, no, that time we have to give that password. It will take here.
Okay, right.
Now it is not taking.
Connect. Remember password. That should be correct. Okay.
Not working, sir. Once again, sir. It is not taking, sir. Netkins API database except unable to load JDBC. Try. One second.
Anybody's system MySQL is there? You remember password.
It's
You have to
not.
give remember password. What you gave there?
No, sir. It is not password error. Actually, it is a driver error. JDBC driver.com MySQL JDBC driver unable to load.
If it is this situation, how to explain the program? Tell me. Now, anybody's having MySQL software, I'll tell you, don't worry. I'll tell you the steps, no problem. Anybody's having? Maithili? Diksha?
Yes, sir.
You share it, yeah, Maithili. Arjun?
Sir.
You can close it. Close it. No problem. You see, you see it, no problem. You can practice later. Huh? Practice, open it, yeah. See, in my system, no, 3-4 times I've practiced it. So again, one more file name it is giving, you will get unnecessary problems because I've given n number of files. So I'll tell you, you do it. I'll tell you every step, don't worry.
Okay.
Share, yeah.
Is it visible, sir?
Yes, madam. So MySQL, right click and start that.
Yes, sir, I did that.
Then plus MySQL, click the plus. Plus tables.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Above table, right click it. Create table. Create table. Yes. Give me EMP
EMP.
SAL. EMP SAL. You are using system only, no?
Yes, sir.
What about others? Can you able to see the window?
Yes, sir.
Right. Right, ma. So now add column. One second. So before telling is nothing but, see here the question is nothing but what is the question is nothing but, question says is nothing but demonstrate the, where is the question? 1 second, I'll tell you. Yes, an EJB application that demonstrates the persistence with appropriate business logic. So appropriate business logic is nothing but one application we have to do it. You can do, what is that called, student information or employee calculation. Student information already I have done it. Now I'll go for the employee calculation. So that is the reason EMP I have taken. So you give SLNO.
Yes, sir.
Once I don't click it, wait. Same fields only I will tell you, because whatever I will send the code, no, then only I will give you. Right. SLNO given, na?
Yes,
Data
sir.
type is integer. Int. Down.
Primary key should I?
Yes. Primary key to be taken. One, click it. 1 second. See here, without primary key, if you create any database, it will not show there your database there. It will not be. It will show it, but it will not be enabled. So one primary key is compulsory for your program or in your database. Right, madam? Okay. And next, add one more row. Name, NAME. Next, data type is varchar. $25. Okay. Next, SAL, salary, SAL only give it. Varchar only. $25. Okay. See, before clicking OK, you check it out. First one is SLNO, that is called integer, correct? No. Next is varchar. So suppose by mistake something, if you select it, your program will be creating problems later. You cannot rectify the errors also. This. So again, we have to do from the beginning. That is what we should be very careful. Then when you are creating the data, sometimes what we'll do now, when you are creating default bit data will be there. Once you click it unknowingly, your program should work once again. You have to type it once again from the beginning. Okay, so that is what I do. Click OK. Only 3 fields I have taken. Simple program is sufficient because you have to execute within 1 hour. No, that is the reason I've created the simple code. Now view the data and enter 2 fields. Table only. Under the file name SL EMP-SAL will be there under that. Under SQL EMP-SAL will be there somewhere. Yes. Right click. Here. Down. Enter the data. Yes. One. Enter Maithili. Enter some number on 25,000, 30,000 something, or 50,000, no problem. Next is one more field, add it. Add one more field. Arjun.
Sir?
Can you tell her how to make bit bigger font size?
Sir, in this we are not able to, sir. Actually, it is a default.
So when I am showing us, it will come like this only.
Yeah, sir, same.
Ayyo. Then it's very difficult, no?
Sir, I think our network issue, so it is showing blur, sir.
Okay. That's what I told you. Who's having internet properly, then do it. Okay, no problem. Enter OK. Click OK. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Click OK. Now go to projects. Leave that one. You leave it. Some errors are there. What is the first file name?
Sir, actually yesterday I did that program, sir, so I didn't get, I got errors in that.
What is the file name you have given?
Program 10.java, sir.
No, project name.
Database 1.
Database 1. Okay. D. Okay, no problem. Go to file name. Go to file. New. Next.
Yes,
Enterprise applications only, no?
yes, sir.
Right. Next. So here you give some name. 1 second. What I have given, I'll tell you. EJB Lab 11 13
13, sir.
DE
EJB Lab 13.
EJB Lab 13 A B C D E, it will come next. Then your program will not work. B first letter, we'll try to give it B something, so that above that you will be getting. See, one thing I'll tell you, if you have any errors in this one, if your created project is after this one, if you get it, you will not, it will not work your program also. That also
Now
to be remembered.
New project now, sir.
Huh?
Now I'm creating new project, sir. I'm not
New
doing
project also, it will come after D, E, no, alphabetically. So previous program, if you have errors, your program will not work. So now you have to give file name with BC something.
Before E, sir.
Before E should your project comes, such a way that you give the name. Other people you can give EJB lab 13 something. No problem. Otherwise you can give you whatever you want. You give a B something. B EJB 13 you give.
Yes, sir, I gave.
B you add it, EJB 13. Next. Next. Finish.
This I need to change.
Finish.
Sir, enable I don't need to
Enable
give.
ಮಾಡಿ ಏನು ತೊಂದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ enable ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ select ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ ನೋಡಿ.
No, yesterday we didn't do, sir, so I was asking.
And then not required anyway. I have not done it.
Shall I give finish, sir?
Yes, finish. All of you remember that if any program error is there before your program, then also it will not work. Your program will not work. Make bit fast, yeah. Okay, no problem. Now got it.
Yes, sir.
Double click plus that one. So 2 files created now.
3
Under that 3 you are having. First one is last hyphen with EJB is there now.
Yes, sir.
Right click. No, that name select and right click. New database. Read it one by one. I am not able to see.
Session bean, Java class, message driven bean, Java package, entity class from database.
That you have to select it. Entity base, that one only.
Entity class from database, sir.
Yes. Select that.
Yes, sir.
So now you have to create the data source name. Data source name is there. Now there you click it.
Yes, sir.
MySQL you are having.
No, sir.
Go for new. Down there only. New is there. Enter. Give some name. EJB lab.
Yes, sir.
Down you select. Click that. MySQL is there.
Yes, sir.
Where it is there? Next I hope. It's not visible anything for me. That one MySQL only, no?
Yes, sir.
Select, madam.
Sir. Okay, sir.
Okay. This one only important. The process configurations, nothing is there. EMP salary is visible in your system. The file table name.
Yes, sir.
Select that.
Sir.
Add it.
Add.
Next.
It's asking for package.
Package name you give it. EJB lab 13. 13, not 12, 13.
Yes, sir.
Next. What you are getting? Finish.
No need to change anything, sir.
Nothing. But I don't know about how you people are seeing my code. What it is created under that?
Where, sir? EJB lab 13. Under EJB lab 13, sir.
Plus.
msalary.java.
Double click that. See now, just scroll down this. You see the file. So all the informations you got it here now. Now to communicate this, we have to create one more file now. Okay. Now enterprises over. Now again go to now that one only.
Which one, sir?
Heritage and beans. 1 second, I'll tell it. Any statement missed or what session been? We have given. Session been over. Next. Go here only. Source package is there, no hyphen is source package is there, no.
Yes, sir.
Right click that, select.
Sir.
Right click, new. And now you have to select session bin for entity class. Is there? Session
Only
bin for
session
entity
bean.
class.
Session bean was there, sir.
Session bin for entity class. Session bin for entity class, it will come, yeah?
It's not there, sir.
Huh?
Only session bean was there, sir.
This is the problem. Not that one. Session bin for entity class.
It's not there, sir.
Only session bin is there, huh?
Yes, sir.
But I am getting no. So session bin for entity class. Session bin is there, entity class is separate is there, session bin for entity class also is there. Click it, what you will get, it will see session bin for session bin.
Like this I'm getting, sir.
Wrong. This is the problem. Session bin for entity class, you will get it. Above that you select it. Other click it. Other click it. Session bin entity class is there here. Session bin for entity class.
No, sir.
Close it. Stop sharing.
I'm not getting stop sharing.
One second. I will share it. See here. You close it.
Yes, sir.
Stop sharing. Stop sharing.
Yes, sir. I stopped.
Can you able to see mine? 13A, 13 once I have done it, 13A also I have done it once. So when I'm clicking right, new, can you able to see now? Entity class, session bin for entity class. Can you able to see or not?
Yes, sir.
The similarly you have to get it now. What to do? Students, shall I do it? Shall I do it? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Sir, ask others whether they are getting or not, sir.
Anybody is practicing parallelly? Hello? Nobody is practicing. That is the problem. That is the reason I'm telling you two people to share it. I'll do it within 10 to 15 minutes. That's all. I don't have any problem. Shall I do it? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Right, I'll do it. Don't worry. See now, right. So services, I have created already EMP salary. So you can view the data here. So I have entered SUDA 25,000, HEMA 20,000 rupees, one male and one female. I have entered it. Now already I have entered it. Now I'll come back here. What I will do is I'll have to create in under. I'll go for new one only, no problem. File, new, Java EE General Enterprises application. Next, here is how to give the file name. I'll give you EJB. EJBL. So that I want to come before 13th. So that I will not be getting any issues. So next, so enable the context dependencies, not required, just finish, that's all. Right. Now when you click it here, you got the EJB, LA, two things. See that two things, EJB, LA, it is created for me last. So LA, EJB, EJB var. So this is server side, this is client side. Now what you have to do is right click, new, Java entities for database, and here data source already have created for the lab. You can select it, that the same EMP only. So now here you can see it, EMP, EMP1, EMP2, no primary keys. That is the reason it is not selecting. Only you have EMP, EMP salary. Now I will be selecting EMP salary. Just select that and next. And here you have to give the package name. Package name I'll give program 13. Any name you can give, no problem. Next. So you have to finish this one. Arjun?
Sir?
Yeah, are you seeing?
Sir, actually I'm correcting my NetBeans, sir. I'll see the video.
EMP salary
NetBeans
is
showing
created. Now you just listen, then you can do it, no problem. So here is whatever she has created, the same way only I have created. That is the reason I told you to give the same name. Serial number is integer, name is string, salary is string. So everything, whatever you have given 25, 25 also taken. I have also given the same thing. That is the reason I told you to give it the same thing. Now what you have to do, again go for the program 13, right click, new, session entity, session bin for entity class. And you have to get like this, select this and add it, and next program 13, everything you will get it here. You have to select either locally or remote. We are doing locally. You select this and next. Right. See, now you are getting all these things here. Now you see here under program 13, you only have created just new beans, right? That's all. But it is created abstract fake.java EMP sal facecad.java, emp sal facecad local.java. So 1, 2, 3 files created extra without doing anything. That is what the interaction it is happening in this one. Now what you have to do is emp salary is there, no? You have to go here and just enter here, right click. Okay, emp facecad. So after emp salary, there you have to go last but one. So you can see the code also here. I have entered it there. So here is 3 files will be created. See, abstract facecad, emp salary facecad, emp salary facecad. So now this one will be created. So once it is created, what you have to do? EJB facecad super.ejb. So when you are EJB demo facecad, so here, so now here is nothing but the facecad, this one. So once you go here, now what I've told you is, see, EJB facecad is there. So this one, right click, insert the code. Now insert the code, add business method. So now you will be getting here one business method, you have to write it. So now emp salary, you can give any one name. So return type, I'll give you boolean and add the values SLNO, whatever you have created, the same thing you give it. This is called the integer. And add name. In database, whatever you have created, the same way you give it here. This is called the here is text will be there, no emp will be there. That is called the text string. So next add, this is also SAL, that is called the string. Even lab.string, if it is there also, okay. So you have to select anyone, that is we have selected there. If it is not selected there, here you have to take it this one. So now what you got it is overwrite, you got it. This messages you got it. Before this, what you have to do, you have to write the code for this, because already I have done it, because already it took maximum time. So I'll copy and paste it here now. 13.ejb. So you have the source files already, I have done it. emp package. So here this code you have to copy it and paste it. Here. So now here is, this is nothing but the whatever you are giving the file names here, that one only you have to give it. So I have given here also emp salary only, emp sale, there also emp sale. So no problem. So a dot set number, this one. So once you type it this, automatically you will get it. See here one, I'll type it here. A dot C set name. So first one is called the salary, that is called the SLN number. So this one, enter it. So that is nothing but the SLN number. So that is what already I have written there. That's all. Like this, you have to take the 3 names. The similarly set name, salary, and this one. So em where you are getting is nothing but here the object name, this one, private entity manager. In your program automatically commonly it will be created em only. So em dot persistence dot root. That's all here, your program over now. So server side configurations, everything it is got over from your side. Save it. And now you have to go for the client side. Now you can see here there is no errors in my system emp LA. So now you have to go for the LA client side. Client side is nothing but to go for the web pages. Here you have the index based dot this one. So index dot this one is nothing but the here you copy the source code, whatever you have done there. So here is the source code is nothing but 13a EJB var, and here you have the web pages. Index page is there. So within the body, whatever is there, copy it and paste it, because same variable name I have given. That is the reason I'm able to do it. Otherwise, I cannot do it. index dot sp. Here you paste it. Right. Save this. Now you have to create the EMP servlet file name for the different purpose, to run the program purpose. So once you give the format, serial number, name, salary number. I have created text field, 3 text fields and 1 submit button here. You know HTML properly. That is the reason I have created automatically. I have copied it now. Now what you have to do is, now you have to go for the source program default, and whatever you have created the file name, copy it here. Control C, new, and servlet program here. Servlet program, you have to create it and give the same name. That's it. So now what you have to do? Warning, it is highly recommended not place. Right. So EMP servlet, next. EMP servlet, automatically it will be taken, whatever it is there in that one. Employee descriptive XML not required, finish. Right. Now you have to remember here, you have the file name emp.servlet here, enter it. Now what you have to do is right click and insert the code, and here call enterprises beans. You can see the step by step there also. Select this, and you have given EJB LA. Last one is nothing but ours. Now select this. Okay. And EMP salary facade. That is what your object for your program. This is what important. This is what the important. Now go to your code here with inside the body. Now inside the body here you have to take it and you have to write it the code for the emp.servlet. So now I'll go for here var, already I have entered it here, source default EMP server. So EMP server is nothing but the here this code. Here you paste it here. Right. Now one error is coming. So EMP error. So what you have to do is, just here it is there, whatever it is there, EMP salary cascade, because names sometimes will give the different names. That one paste it here. Now, so here just give the space, and here dot EMP salary you have given. So first one is called the serial number, name string, and enter it. So first one is serial name S1. So whatever you have given here, that one will be there. Now we delete this. All right. Now error gone. See here. Save it now. So EMP salary, whatever it is there, fields automatically it will take it here. So once again, even if you want, I'll type it. See here. Here is, you have to enter dot EMP salary. See here, first one is the serial number, name, string, operations. So here you should get it. First one is the name, serial number, integer, next to string, next to string. Like that, you have to get it here. Register number, name, string. So we have written serial. No, we have written the code 13th year. No? Copy this.
Sir, you didn't give semicolon, sir, so it's showing error.
Now Control V. Now copy this. No, another database I have taken. That is what the problem. Right, now it is gone. So EMP salary, this one. Now I'll go for the, somewhere error is there, where save the program. Now index, check it out once. Serial number, name, salary, right. So now servlet, this one, right. Now that's all your code. Now what you have to do is this program and this one. You have to remember only two things. I'll send it step by step, copy it and paste it. Only thing is your MySQL if works. So this you have to select it here. Just what you have to do is right click and insert the code, and you have to select the call enterprises bin. Once you select that, you will be getting that cascade, this one. So automatically it will be downloaded from the server. That's all your code now. So how much code you have done it there? And you have added the business methods, 3 fields you have added, and here you have written, here is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 lines, and the code you have written it. So then index.esp dot is nothing but what? Here you have written three lines and one is submit button, 4 lines. So form action is equal to emp.servlet, you have given it. That's all your program now. So now what you have to do is EJB 13 is there now. EJB 13 LA. Here. EJB LA. EJB LA. Right, sir. So now what you have to do is, because this is the problem when I'm having 4 or 5 files, now you can be able to see now. EJB lab is there, EJB lab 13. Actually, under this you should, because of the alphabetical it is going. So it is coming, LA is nothing but the last. That is the way you have to be careful. That is the reason I told you to create one of you, because you will be having the less files. Okay, no problem. Now what you have to do, go to the main file and clean and build first. Build successful, no errors. Now what you have to do is deploy this. Deploy this and wait. Yes, build successful. Finish with this one. Now what you have to do is right click and run the program. You got it. Enter the serial number, name. So up to 2 I have entered it there. I will be entering 10, serial number 10. Enter the name. I'll write it some name, Arjun. Some name, no problem, any other name. So salary, I'll enter it now 45 something, some value, that's all. So submit. So data inserted into the database. Now what you do is minimize this and come to the services and right click this, view the data. So 10 Arjun, 45,000 rupees. Can you able to see? Can you able to see, students?
Yes, sir.
That's all, yeah. Nothing is there. I'll tell you, compared to all the programs, this is what I feel the easiest program. Maybe you are getting the files, looks like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In examination, you write it, this file will be created internal interface purpose. Cascade will be created for the business purpose. Like that, you write it, and whatever the code you are writing, you write it. That's all. But basically, you have to write these 2 files is important. Which one is index.jsp for running. this text. This file you write it from HTML to HTML, and EMP servlet also nothing is there. You remove all the this one, what is that called, comment lines. Only remaining things you write it, that's all. So that's what you have to do it now. So EMP cascade, when you are copying my code here, if you get it error, what you do, just this, you know how to add it also, this one. Even if you forgot the name also, nothing will happen. Just copy this and come back here and paste it, and dot if you press it, the corresponding whatever you have given the package within the server, automatically you will get it there. So how many fields you want, you can access it, that one. Now one more I would like to say here, business method, that's all. So you go ahead according to this. Again, why to make confusion all these things? Do you have any doubts? You can tell me. I'll add it one more now. So go back this and I'll enter it, the 11th one, and Bhargavina something. So submit, data is inserted. Now you can check it out your database whether it is inserted or not. View the data. See, 11th Bhargavi inserted 45,000 rupees. That's all. Yeah. Now this you have to do it at home and execute your programs. Now let me know if you have any problems, if you have any errors. Arjun,
Sir?
can you do it?
Yeah, sir, I will do it.
You have to do it. So anybody is having doubt? Guria? Guria? Deepika?
Yes, sir. No doubt, sir.
You can do it. Your system is there, yeah, MySQL?
Yes, sir.
Now, are you okay now?
Yes, sir. I'm fine now.
Your health is okay now?
Yes, sir. I'm fine, sir.
Okay. So what you can do is you practice by seeing my window. We took hardly now 3 o'clock. I started 25 minutes only, that one. And I have sent it your file also, what code to be added, where to be added also, I've entered it there, and practice it. If you are not getting, what you do is after 8:30. So Arjun knows that one. Two to three people. If your system is ready, then you can share it. I'll tell you.
Okay, sir.
I'll tell you, compared to all the programs, EasyAB only easy, I feel, but not that much difficulties. You should be careful. You have to practice properly. That's all. Nothing is there. The first step is nothing but you have to select the enterprises beans, and this one you give the project. 2 files, major files will be created, and one is called the server side purpose, that is called EasyAB. Client side WAR will be created. Now client side you have to go right click and select the enterprises data beans, and if you select that, you have to import that. If the database is already available, you take that one. Otherwise, give the data source name. So down if you come, automatically you will be getting all the database fields, and select that one. So only condition is without primary key table you cannot do it any operations in this. Without primary key, operations will not be selected here. One primary key compulsory should be there, such a way that you need to create it. So select and move next, over. Next is what you have to do, package name you have to give there. Next is right click and enterprises bean class for that. So I told you not beans for that. And here is you have to select the one second, what is that? I have forgotten that. Entity class from database over. Next one is session beans for entity class. Session bean for entity class, next time you have to take it, and just you have to give whatever they're asking the names, and select either local or remote. That's all. Only one you select it. Nothing is required, the remaining things. Now once you create this, linking purpose, business methods purpose, it will be created automatically 3 files. And business methods, you go there and right click it and you have to add the business method. You want, you can give the name, otherwise you keep it as it is, business method. Return type Boolean, true or false, whether it is available or not. For that purpose I have given it Boolean only. Otherwise you can give return int, such a way that code will be, you have to write it. That's all. I have given Boolean. Next is 3 fields, whatever you have created, the 3 fields you created, one for integer, one for text, one for text. So if you by mistake, if you give it all text, and there should be converted text to string, text to integer, that you know how to do it also, because I have not done that one directly, I have given it. So to integer you have to give it integer dot, you will be getting that one. So once you complete that, next what you have to do, you have to come to the client side. Client side index.jsp will be there, default, that file only. Take 3 fields. Take 3 fields. One is called the serial number, one is called name, one is called register number, one for the submit button. You know how to do it, that one. Next is form action is equal to which file, servlet. So this is the post, you have to write it. So next, servlet.java, you have to create it. Go to the default and create the select the servlet program and give it file name. Once you give that, what will happen inside that, after the main class, right click, call business method, you have to select it, and you will be getting all your project names, whatever you have given with the server side package. You have to click it, that one more file will be getting, that file you select it. So overwritten will be coming. So there it will be created one object. Based on the object, you enter it, your function name automatically it will be coming. So how many fields you are having? 3 fields. That is, you enter it either which one you have entered it. All 3 strings you take it, and if it is integer means convert into the parse.int. That's it. So next is display. That's all. Insert it and go and see in your database will be displayed. So very easy. I'll tell you, you have to write probably 10 to 15 lines. That also not that much difficulties. Any doubts now? Any doubts? Now tell me the attendance. Answer attendance 1. 1, 2. Right. BY series 1 absent, 2 absent. Next.
Sir, 4 present, sir.
0, 2, 0, 3, 4, 5.
Present, sir.
6. Make it fast.
7.
9 present, sir.
Arjun, be here.
10 present, sir.
Sir, 7.
Right. Arjun, be here. Don't leave the meeting. All right. Next. 10.
11 present, sir. Present, sir.
12 present, sir. 13.
14 present, sir.
16 present, sir.
1 minute. After 11, 12 absent, 13 absent, 14.
12 present.
14.
Sir, 12
14.
present, sir.
Right, Amma. Next.
14 present, sir.
Next.
16 present, sir.
17
present, sir.
18.
18 present, sir.
19. 21.
20 present, sir.
22 present, sir.
23 present, sir.
24.
26 present, sir.
24. Absent. 25 absent. 26 present. 27.
Yes, sir.
28. 29. 30. 3D series.
2 present, sir.
3
4.
present, sir.
4. 5.
5 present, sir.
6
present, sir. 6
7
8 present, sir.
sir.
7
Sir, 7 present, sir.
8
8 present, sir.
9
10 present, sir.
11
present, sir.
12 present, sir. 12 present,
13
sir.
14 15
16 present, sir.
17
Present, sir.
18
17 present, sir.
18 19
19 present, sir.
20 20
21 present, sir.
22 22 23 right, sir. So now I'll stop the recording.